everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm gonna guide you through an easy step-to-step process on how to redeem Gift Rocket gift card online. So keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Let's get started with the video now. Open up a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box at the top. Type in www.giftrocket.com/gift and press enter. You'll end up in this page where you can see please enter your gift code. Enter the gift code number that is available at the back of your Gift Rocket gift card. Simply type in the information in the text box and click the submit button to redeem your gift card right away. Follow the on-screen prompts on the next page and you should be able to do it. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.